This is a 2014 1-ounce silver bird, Birds of Prey series, the Bald Eagle. So this is the second release in the Royal Canadian Mint's Bird of Prey series, celebrating the iconic Bald Eagle. So on the front here, you have the Susanna Blunt's design of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, along with the face value $5 Canadian. On the other side, you depicts a fearless bald eagle in flight with a prized catch, while weight and purity are listed below. The thickness is 3.29 millimeters, diameter is 38 millimeters.